Nyrstar is an integrated mining and metals business with market-leading positions in zinc and lead. The Nyrstar smelter in Balen is one of the world's largest zinc smelters in terms of production volume. In 2013, Nyrstar's Balen smelter executed a marathon turnaround. During a time frame of 11 weeks, 77 days to be precise, amongst other maintenance works, they conducted a revamp of one of the two roasters. Safety is Nyrstar's #1 value, also during an exercise like this. Revamp of Nyrstar's roaster, called Fluo 5, included the installation of a new dome, offtake, upper vertical wall and steel cases, and several repairs and renovation works in the lower section of the oven. Nyrstar's engineering team worked together with Junger and Greta, the main contractor, 1 full year to plan and organize this immense project. Day 1 of the turnaround. The roaster was emptied using remote-controlled bobcats. To protect the roaster floor from falling rubble during demolition of the dome and steel cases, Nyrstar decided to cover it with 200 cubic meters of sand. Day 5 of the turnaround. Demolition works of the dome have taken a start. No less than 45 rings were taken down in 3 hours' time. Safe and fast, which was the result of this newly used technique whereby a demolisher was operated from a lift container. None of the engineers had assessed this operation to go as fast and as smooth as it did. At this point in time, Nyrstar was 7 days ahead of schedule. After 19 days in the turnaround, the steel case and offtake were taken down. Nyrstar cut and refreshed the old steel support ring, and a new one was built on top of it. Some 3 weeks after the start of the turnaround, the offtake and upper steel cylindrical wall was rebuilt. Due to its immense size, there was no other way than to transport the offtake by ship. "30 days in turnaround, and Nyrstar is still ahead of its game. The new steel roof, built during preparation phase, was finally mounted using a 750-ton crane. A new big milestone had been achieved.
Ja, dat is een mooi daar. Hij komt lopen daar.
After 36 days in turnaround, the time had come to start bricklaying and refractory works. No less than 30 workmen worked day and night for almost 20 days to reconstruct the dome, oven walls and offtake. Day 55 of the turnaround. The hoisting lift, which was foreseen for the material transportation during construction, was demounted from the central shank of the oven. The central part of the steel roof could now also be finished off. The smelter was still ahead of schedule and without any substantial safety incidents or situations that could have led to serious injury risks. Day 72. At 12:30 a.m, the crew was excited with joy when the oven door was closed and the oven was prepared for heating. The crew was tired but still focused and driven to get the job done in the last couple of days. The extra days Nyrstar had won during demolition of the dome had to be used to complete a set of unplanned renewals. Finally, after 77 days, exactly as planned, Nyrstar Balen was back in the game with Roaster Fluo 5. 0 lost time safety incidents were reported during these 11 weeks. Nyrstar looked after its people and its contractors, and the project was delivered on time, with the right quality and within budget. This complex turnaround can be recognized as a best-case example. Thank you, employees of Nyrstar and contractors who made this happen. The project team wishes Nyrstar a good producing roaster for the next 30 years to come.